Hey guys, hey Scott here. Hey, I just wanted to talk to you about baking soda. Whether some people already know, but I was just looking at 100 plus uses for baking soda. And I put some notes together as to all the things that you can do for it with it. Okay, it comes in different packaging, but it's all the same. It's pure baking soda. So cheap too. This 4 pound box was $3. These run anywhere from $1 a pound to $3 a pound in convenience stores. So you're best getting this in a supermarket. I got this in a dollar store, but again, you look at the ingredients, and the ingredients are sodium bicarbonate. Regardless, they're all the same. There's nothing different between the Arm & Hammer and the off brand, but they're both the same. So, in regards to this baking soda, you'll see this in a lot of your toothpaste today because it actually is a good cleanser. So utilizing this as a refrigerant, deodorant. Okay, and here's some things that I have. The deodorizing of a refrigerator, just opening and placing your box in the refrigerator. It's an excellent cleaning agent for a gentle scrub. There's a soft scrub that's on the market that has chemicals in it. You can use this in a paste. You can add a little bit of cleanser to this, a bottle cleanser, and create your own soft scrub for less than half the money. Laundry aid. Add to laundry to boost detergent effectiveness. It helps your detergent work better. Okay, creates an alkalinity into the water. The carpet cleaner. Sprinkle a little bit on the carpet, let sit, and then vacuum. Just like carpet fresh stuff, but it costs you $3 for this giant thing, where that carpet cleaner thing is 3 times that. So this is a lot less money to use than that carpet cleaning stuff. You use baking soda, silver polish. Make a paste. Use some water. Drain cleaner. It says mix with vinegar. I haven't tried that. Mix with vinegar to unclog drains. We got toothpaste. Very famous for toothpaste. Uses as a teeth whitener and cleaner. I mix that. I mix the toothpaste with coconut oil. Mix with coconut oil, and enjoy. Air freshener. Okay, you can mix with essential oils in a spray bottle. Antacid, a small amount in water, can relieve heartburn. Can use as a gentle facial scrub. Okay, as an exfoliant. Fruit and vegetable scrub, beautiful cleaner for veggies. Shoe deodorizer, sprinkle a little bit in your shoes. Garbage can deodorizer. Insect bite relief, make a paste, and it absorbs. There is a sodium to it, sodium bicarbonate, and you put it on your insect bite. Fire extinguisher, throws some on grease or electrical fires to help extinguish that. It absorbs. You throw that in grease, it pulls that fuel source into the baking soda. Remember, this is baking soda, not baking powder. A lot of people confuse that. With baking, a lot of times you add baking powder and baking soda, okay, to muffins and stuff like that. Coffee pot cleaner from the coffee pots. There's a gentle scrub cleaner. Microwave, oven. repellent. Sprinkle in areas to deter ants and roaches. I guess they don't like stepping on that. We have for your hair, to help remove buildup in your hair. You add a little bit with shampoo. All natural, beautiful stuff. We got stuffed animal cleaner. Yeah. Especially when the dog plays with it, right? You have a mouthwash. A solution can freshen breath. Yep. Crayon remover, as it acts as a soft scrub. That'll pick up all the crayon and stuff and whatever. We got that sunburn relief. Add to bath water. Okay. The closet deodorizer just looks like a refrigerator. You get a pool cleaner used to maintain pH balance. That's where that pH balance is that we use for the laundry aid. See, takes the acidity out of the water and lets the detergent work better. And let's see, a few more here. Dishwasher aid boosts dishwasher detergent by adding to the load. Didn't know about that one. It helps your dishwasher detergent. Cleans walls and stuff like that. Again, a soft scrub, so it doesn't really scratch. It just a little bit. Deodorizing shoes. I think we already mentioned that. Something about sneakers. Sprinkle a little bit in shoes. Okay, guys. There's a little list. Hopefully, one of these things gave you some insight. Deodorizing refrigerator, cleaning agent. Cleaning is the best thing here. Laundry aid is a good one. Help you save money on detergent. Up here, carpet cleaning, silver polish, drain cleaner, toothpaste, awesome, right? Baking soda, coconut oil, and you can use a little bit of peppermint, okay? And put it in a little dish and mix it. I have some right here, okay? And it works. It whitens teeth and everything. Use it to clean vegetables. Antacid is very famous. If you have too many meatballs and sauce and everything, as a cleaner, think of it as a cleaner. Also, use near your stove in case you have a grease fire. You throw this on there and it'll extinguish. Better than burning the house down. Using your hair to help clean and defoliate. You have animal cleaner, that's funny. Mouthwash, just like toothpaste. Deodorizer, pot cleaner. You got dishwasher aid. That's a good one right there. Help your dishes get cleaner. Okay, guys. And that'll conclude that. Let's see, anything else we missed here? We got more, but I just wanted the top uses. But make sure you have this in your kitchen. This is really important stuff. Baking soda, guys, okay? You use it for, there's a 1,000 uses for it, but deodorizing, cooking. I didn't even mention about cooking, but this is used in a lot of things for cooking. I was just looking at, is a recipe for coffee cake, right? Butter, sugar, sour cream, eggs, vanilla. You have flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. Then you put some toppings of pecans and sugar and cinnamon. Beautiful stuff, guys. Right? Also great for cleaning, see? But guys, get the stuff. This is great for every house and everywhere you go. All right? Okay, guys. Talk to you soon.